Yo, yo, yo! What's up, YouTube? We're back with another banger video.
Hey, you heard my boy? We're gonna be making a spicy grilled cheese today. It's about to be so yummy. Watch the whole video, yo.
You heard.
So here is what you need to make this deliciousness of a Sammy, yo.
Yo, 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 yo! Why are you throwing that at me?
Because we gotta make a Sammy, yo.
You heard. So, specifically for this sandwich, you will need 2 pieces of wheat bread. You'll need 2 pieces of pepper jack sliced cheese. It's got to be sliced. Sliced.
You heard the man.
And then, our mayo we're using, because we like to stay healthy out here, we're using mayo with olive oil. Hey, it tastes good though.
Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, yo.
Oh, my bad.
Ah, you're good.
Word.
Step 2, after preheating the oven, wash your hands. We don't like them germies around here.
Oh, I see you there. Step 3, making the sandwich. You heard.
That you have your ingredients on your plate, because that's what you got to do first when making the sandwich. You get some mayonnaise and put it on the bread. You want to do it on both sides. We already have this one done. Then you want to put your spicy cheese, because we want it spicy, on the bread. Then after you do that, you got to put the bread on the other piece of bread. It might get a little messy here, so make sure you have napkins on standby. Now, into the preheated oven we put it. Don't burn yourself, it can get real toasty in here.
Word.
Now, we let it cook.
While waiting, you can have some fun.
Let's get started.
When your sandwich is done cooking to your likeness, you gotta take it out the oven, or else it'll get cooked too much. So, as you can see, pretty toasty. I like it like that. We're gonna take it out the oven. Do not burn yourself. It hurts, okay? Word, you heard. So, to make your sandwich taste better, because shapes matter, you gotta turn it like this, diagonal. Use the same knife you already did so you don't make your parents clean up after you. Then, right down the middle. Get a precise cut. Oh, look at the gooiness. Hey, you're about to see a cheese pull right here because this is a banger video, you heard? 3, 2. That cheese pull did not go as planned. Now, it's time to feast. Shh. Mukbang ASMR. Oh, it's gonna be very bold cheese pull. Shh. Mukbang ASMR. Yo, yo, yo. Thank you so much for watching this video.
If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like and follow button. And subscribe.
You heard. That's word, yo.
Stay tuned. Cooking with Owen.
Cooking with Griffin.
Cooking with Owen.
Cooking with Griffin. If you don't know how to cook, hit that follow button.
Let's go.
Cooking with Griffin.
Cooking with Owen.
Cooking with Griffin.
Cooking with Owen.
Yo.